everyone. Many people are confused about the correct usage of could and would. In this video, I will teach you how to use these two modal verbs without mistakes. Okay, there are three main differences between could and would that you need to know. So let's start with the first one. Could is the past tense of can and would is the past tense of will. Okay, let us see this sentence. See, I can run a mile in 10 minutes. This means I have this ability, that is to run a mile within 10 minutes. So this is in the present tense, but we can change it into the past by saying I could run a mile in 10 minutes when I was younger. It means I had the ability in the past, but I don't have it now. So in this next example, see, I know we will win the match. So maybe you were on the same team and I tell you, yes, I know we will win. I am confident. But if the match happened in the past, that is, it's already finished and I want to say that I was confident, then I can say, I knew we would win the match. Here, will becomes would. This is the first difference. Yes, okay. Now, the second difference relates to talking about the possible situations and imaginary situations. Okay, let us see an example. It could rain tonight. So I look at the sky and I see clouds. Yes, and I make a prediction about the future. Here's another sentence. Just see, John isn't answering his phone. He could be busy. So that is, I'm saying that it's possible that he is busy. Notice that in both of this sentence, could is not a past tense form. It's just used to show possibility. But I cannot use would for this purpose. Okay. So these are possible situations. But when we talk about imaginary situation, we prefer to use would. For example, if I had $1,000,000, I would buy a beach house. Again, don't be confused by the past tense. We say if I had and I would buy because we want to show that this is imagination, that it's not reality because I don't have $1,000,000, right? So here's another example. See, if Shelley worked hard, she would get a promotion. Okay, so she would get a promotion. This means she doesn't work hard, she is lazy, so she is not going to get a promotion. Now in both of these sentences we can use could to show imaginary ability, but it's less common. Okay, would is used a lot more when it comes to imaginary situation. This is the second difference. Let's now move on to the third and final difference, and this is in polite expressions. There are four functions that are important for us. Yes, so making suggestions, offers, requests, and asking for permissions. What is that? Making suggestions, offers, requests, and asking for permissions. Okay, so first, to make suggestions, we normally use could. As in this example, see, we could try that new Italian restaurant. So imagine that we are planning to have dinner together, and I make this suggestion. Okay, here using would is wrong, but to make an offer, we prefer would. Okay, for example, would you like some tea? That means I have tea and I'm asking you if you want some. Okay, so here we cannot use could, but making request is different because it is possible to use both could and would. For example, could you open the window please? You can also say, would you open the window please? Although this is very formal and polite. However, we also sometimes use would you mind, as in would you mind opening the window? This is a request, But this phrase is fixed. You cannot say, could you mind? And when we ask for permission, again there are expressions with both could and would. Okay? For example, could I borrow your car for a couple of days? Maybe I am saying this to a friend. So I am asking my friend for permission to use his or her car. I can also say, would it be okay if I borrow your car for a couple of days? Or would you mind if I borrowed your car for a couple of days? Would you mind can be used to ask permission as well. Notice that when we use would it be okay if or would you mind if, we use the verb in the past tense borrowed. But that's just a grammar rule. We are still asking for permission for the future. All right. These are the difference between could and would. And if you are ready, it's now time for the test. Yes. So there are 8 sentences on the screen. In each one, I want you to choose the correct word could or would. Stop the video, think about your answers, then play the video again and check. All right, children, here are the answers. Okay. See, would you mind lending me some money? Claudia could already speak 3 languages when she was 8. Krishna isn't answering his phone. He could be busy. See, could I use your laptop to send an email? If I become president, I would make college education free for everybody. Do you know where the manager is? No, sorry, but you could ask his assistant. See, would it be okay if I took the day off tomorrow? Or would you like me to give you a ride home? Yes, let me know how many of you got it correct in our online class. Okay, children, happy learning and I will see you soon in next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.